Hi everybody, Chris's Rocketry and More. Here is part of the and more. This is a homemade fireworks shell. Oh well, you can kind of still see. But a homemade engine, and that's a 1 3/4 inch shell there. And get this lit here. If I can see the fuse. Yes. Okay, that was the color shell. I got 2 more color shells and a glitter. Darn. Not too bad. Okay, next one's the glitter shell then. Ooh. Nice, that one was nice. I'll make a few more of those. But that engine, for some reason, didn't have enough oomph. But that broke at a perfect height though. Well, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. I'll have some more videos out pretty quick. See ya.